Oh. Yes! And that's it. Yep. Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Senate Steve. We've got the XJ out here. We're at Roush Creek, and it is an absolute crazy turnout. I've never seen it this busy. It is a little foggy, so today I'm mainly going to focus on just kind of having fun with the kids, but we are going to do a lot of wheeling. We've got the XJ out here. I let my buddy Sean Todd check him out. He's in the 4Runner back there. So then we got my buddy Scott up here in the Gladiator. We're going to go out here. We got a couple people to meet, and we're just going to have some fun today. So let's just get out here, see what this thing does on a tire, since we know what it does on street tires, and just sort of have some fun. Everyone ready?
Yep.
Yeah, we're watching Gate build Spain's.
Wow. Unbelievable. Let's go.
You should have just sent it.
I thought about it.
Where? Oh, you're talking about that? I thought you were talking about the charity. No.
Now that's our push car, so when the two-wheel drive brakes on people, or four-wheel drive brakes, we just push them through the course of the 4Runner.
There you go.
That's what we do with it.
Weld a little push bar on the front.
Yeah.
Heavy duty steel or some shit.
That's gonna make it up, no problem. You already know it.
I love the GoPro mounts on that thing. We don't have to keep on stopping every day on the board. We just keep going. I lost mine on the bike. Mine fell on my motorcycle. You guys blow a tire already? That's street
I
tire?
snapped an axle in it like 3 weeks ago.
This week?
On that, yeah. And the crazy part is I was stuck in a mud hole and it broke. But I fixed the axle, and when I was trying to come out of here, there's a rock that I needed to fall down hill, and I freaking had it pinned to go up through, and I caught the tire on a freaking big rock. Brand new freaking tires, literally still nipples on them. Like, everything's still on it, yeah. Gonna need speed. One in that or in the XJ. Or if not, in the ramp truck out there.
The little 4Runner that could.
Tire's so deep now.
Go to the woods.
Bringing the water.
Listen, I paid $400 for my first box body.
Yeah.
I put 15 into it, sold it for 8 after I crashed.
There you go. Now give her hell.
You gotta keep going. Now you gotta go back down backwards. Yeah. Full center.
I think you popped the right rear.
Hey, you want to try the buggy trail right next to this hill? Yeah, right. There's a buggy trail. It's ticking again. It's ticking. No, he's trying full drop.
It's just because it was on a hill.
We're gonna leave the XJ down there. If you just hold that line there, no left passenger. Back up a little bit, go passenger. Yep, right there. Yep, forward. Driver. And made it look easy. Now that's not locked or anything. That's literally a stock open diff Gladiator right there. And you've seen what it took to get the 4Runner up here. Let's play that back again.
You gotta keep going. Now you gotta go back down backwards. Yeah. What's up? What up? What's going? How many guys got there? A
I'm just gonna go up and come back down.
Plenty, that's why we moved out of the way for
so
you.
you got plenty of room to come up.
All the water.
Like, start turning now. Straight. Yep. Now hard driver or passenger. Easy. Easy. And everybody doubts the rough country. Now this is a 3.5-inch rough country lift kit on that. That is it, and it's just on a tire, guys. Bone stock other than that. So this guy wheels with me harder than anyone I know, and that is a rough country lift. We're out here every weekend. You guys have seen him in the videos before. I mean, you can't knock rough country. So I can't wait to get everything for us, and we'll see what happens. XJs on XJs on XJs at the top of the hill. Don't worry, little guy, you're gonna grow up into one of these one day. I promise you. Oh, next week, guys.
See, I wish my Civic had that flex.
Yeah, you're good now though. You're on everything. Because you'll stay on top of it now.
It's good, I hope so.
Yeah.
Straighten out?
Nah, it's probably about the line. Just stay where you are. Oh yeah. That's how you break stuff. Yeah, that's how you break stuff. I love it. It would go great at my house. Gravy. These videos never do this stuff justice.
Oh my gosh.
I wanted to buckle the kids again on that one. I didn't want to be crazy and chance anything. Alright, you can jump in the back. Oh, my Forerunner. It still has a stick on the roof from last week. 2 weeks, yeah. Oh, I broke my thumb. Put it in reverse, Terry. All right, easy, easy, easy. Slow it down a little. Bump it a little, Sean. One more bump, Sean. You stay where you're at. Put your foot on the brake. That's all right. Forward and bump it. Go back. Come forward. Let's see if we can go forward. You might be able to drive out of it. You're around this rock now. Turn this way and roll.
But I'm still attached to him, aren't I?
Come forward, Sean. Go ahead. You're clear. All right, we're good. We're past it. If I don't fall. Unbelievable. I love that 4Runner. How can you go wrong with that 4Runner?
It's a lot better.
Literally just outdid the XJ. You guys sat there for an hour with it running. Mandy broke my Jeep, or my 4Runner. Unbelievable.
I drove it for 3 minutes.
So she was actually in the middle of the puddle there. I didn't record any of this because I was kind of just trying to get it out of the puddle. It's super cold out today. I did end up breaking the grill on the Jeep, pushing it out, but luckily we got bumpers coming. I'll get a whole new grill, headlights, and everything like that. But for now, the 4Runner is just cranking and cranking and cranking. I don't know what she done did, but we'll get it out. Unbelievable. I hand you the keys for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Sean wheeled it all day so far, 3 hours. You get the keys for 2 minutes, and it's dead now.
He set me up.
Unbelievable. All right, let's just get it yanked out of here. All right, guys, well, we pulled it up here into a clearing, and lo and behold, it was just a blown fuse, so I guess I can't completely be mad, but she's alive. We can unhook the strap, and the 4Runner lives to see another day. Terrible. Yeah.
Say hi to your dad.
No.
No.
Mo. I'm a banana. You're actually a potato.